hey kunabaculi abathathu la angibakhonzile laba abaculi kodwa kwababhlungu ngalesa sikhathi behamba emhlabeni kwaphelela futhi lapho seliyaphela ngisho nosuku nesonto even nenyanga ngingazange nje ngicabange ngapho yabo engangimkhonzile uSifiso Ncwane angimkhonzile uMampintsha ngangiyikhonzile indidane but siyaphela nje isikhathi ngingazange ngibacabange kwababhlungu ngalesa sikhathi besanda kushona yabo ngibacabange and all of those things I carry on with my life nami ngiyaziphilela ibheke bule nkulumo le abantu mfethu ungacabanga ukuthi wena you count so much kubona to the point ukuthi wena you do things just to impress people they don't care baba people are living their own lives don't do things for people can do things for themselves even better than yourself so when you need to come first to yourself don't try to impress them in any way shape or form lalela mhlambe kuyaphela nosuku bengazange becabanga ngawo abanye even to think ukuthi some of them are talking about you even that one so what you see nakho la futhi ubheke khona umuntu uyacabanga from 20s to 30s uyacabanga ukuthi nje it's about yena we subjects of the formula kanti that not the case but mase fika from 30 to 40 you realize people were busy living their own lives it was not about me in the first place but from 40s to 50s we realize no one was even talking in the first place ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ucabanga ukuthi iyona possibilities are infinite in the universe your own consciousness is your own limitation kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona thola ukuthi wena usuzothenga nemoto nje ufuna ukuthi bekubone ukuthi uyashisa ziyasha yabo wena bangakubongela ngaleso sikhathi kube hype ngaleso sikhathi uyithengile bla 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 but at what cost do you know ukuthi wena uzohlala naleyo moto isikhathi eside mhlambe futhi izoqhinya uzothola ukuthi wena le moto le uyayiqualifyela kodwa uyi-afford yabo this is the thing bheka ukuthi wenzani ngoba wena ubalekile la even akuthiwa into ebad kanganani mekujabulisa thina sokudiscourage vele thola usithi thina ufuna ukuthenga iquid yebo kahle wena so the budget yakhe ivuma lona iquid thina sothi kahle wena uthenga iquid baba wena hlala esinqumeni sakho sokujwayela nalelo quid lakho what the point to do things for us cause thina sokudrive ukuthi kahle mfethu awubamba noma Starlet bamba noma Legend 55 so okay now you do things to impress us kodwa siyazi ukuthi thina masogaxele indaba yakho le masuqhonyelwa ithile zokukhosta 10,000 or 8,000 indaba yakho le asihlangani thina but we discouraged you kwi-quid kanti wena uhlakaniphile ngambuka kancane lo muntu hlakaniphile yabo even ungenza into ethi it's a wow mhlawumbe uthenga umuzi omkhulu noma wakho umuzi omkhulu noma uthenga imoto enkulu yabo lezo zinto do them because you can and you love them it's all about you there's no problem about doing those things but if you do them for your own sake for your own fulfillment then we are done but if it's for people I want to show them I want them all of those things that's a red flag that is a red flag because even ungaqhamuka ngalo muntu yakhe enkulu wherever azi umuntu ongakwazi nje uvela abona imoto ngiyafisa ukuba na leya moto le it about the car not even about you even esakubona nangelinye ilanga that person wouldn't even know ukuthi it was you when ohamba ngale moto akana ndaba even nano driver unendaba nemoto not about your driver yabo so umuntu mebona umucabanga wena nje mangibona umuzi omuhle mina ephepheni nginendaba no owner yalo muzi ngoba nginendaba nalo muzi ukuthi if I can own this car ngiyambongela but if I can own it that is the nature of umuntu unethiwa uselfish selfishness ikwi-biology yakhe yabo and ayikho wrong because umuntu even isidalwa sakhe is concerned ngaye yes is concerned ngaye umuntu so it about yena umuntu akanandaba nawe ngaleyo ndlela okudlula wena uba nendaba nawe so that is why when you need to come first you see you really need to come first shut down the noise filter the noise you need to come first even actually le decision it's terrible but if it aligns with you and you feel satisfied about it yabo then go for it yabo ngishatshwa i-decision ibukeka spectacular kangakanani yabo i-brilliant kangakanani i-decision kodwa uthola ukuthi wena it doesn't fit well with me. No, kuthi vele kuthiwa nje wenze kahle lento ayenzile. Uthola ukuthi wena la ngaphakathi uyazi bengingafuni ukushada, yazi bengingafuni ukushada. It's a societal pressure and do things ngoba nakho zine fulfillment kuwena. Yabo la emhlabeni into kumele uthi obey, ungahlukumezi umunye umuntu nokuobey ama laws abekiwe imithetho, yabo. Kodwa other than that baba, freestyler baba, yenza izinto ngendlela yakho, ngendlela uthanda ngayo wena. Ayizo lonto le angabikho umuntu. You can take ama advices, but those advices, weigh them. Listen to your internal authority. Listen to your internal authority. Does this thing align with me? Because we can say, yeah, it's brilliant. What you did is brilliant. What you think about is brilliant. But deep down within you, you feel it. This thing is heavy for me. But anyway, because they are clapping for me, anyway, let me go for it. Yabo? Don't do that. Don't impress people. Don't try to impress people. Don't do things for the sake of impressing people. We are not even... Don't think nje ukuthi kukhulunywa ngawe liphumila ngalize leyo shona. Abantu babhizi mfethu, yezwa, babhiza abantu, yezwa. Bazokukhumbula mhlawumbe abanye ngoba nakusebe kubona. Yes, as much as ucounta kwabanye abadepende kuwe nabantu abakukhonzile and all of those things, but remember, they have their own lives. They cannot give their own lives for you, yabo. Ayi, umuntu engasho ukuthi I can take a bullet for you, but selfishness is part of our human nature. We come first. Ubona khona phela umuntu sebaleke seshiya lokhu ngani eseshiya isithandwa sakhe, sesibaleke sesishiya mase kuqhamuka igebengu noma ingozi. Ubona ukuthi lo muntu lo uthi ngofala ufa khona, kodwa mase sekumele sife useyabaleka, useyicabangela yena. Omunye abaleka ashiya ingane yakhe, abaleka ishiya ingane yakhe, yabo. Akhumbula usengishiya ingane, abuya azothatha ingane. Angithi ayizo lonto le qonda ukuthini lonto. So usebenzise manje i-reasoning brain ukuthi ayibo, i-reasoning brain is something else, yabo. Ukuthi awusengishiya ingane, ebo ingane yami, hambe ngothatha ingane yami, yabo. Kodwa initially isho ukuthi wena ngesikhathi i-limbic brain yakho ikicka in your amygdala and what's not, your emotional brain, ngesikhathi ikicka in ngendlela wena oyi-default wena oyiyona ukuthi wena you selfishness ukuthi I need to survive myself. I'm here for myself in this world. Yabo, in fact, ingane yakho ineyayo impilo. Nawe neyakho impilo. Ngangayichaza lento ukuthi ingane yakho kahle kahle wena khona wayiletha la ukuthi ize ngawe nje. Wena uyi-guardian yayo. Kodwa kumele wazi ukuthi awuyi-own, yabo. Wazi lokho. I don't want to go back to that video and digress. But nje ipoint lami belilithi yenza into ngoba it aligns with you. And we are not doing it for the sake of people. Don't ever think ukuthi wena you are the breaking news, you are the subject of the formula. No, don't think that. Muthatha abantu bafakela ucabanga ukuthi abantu bakhuluma ngawo. No, musucabanga ukuthi abantu bakhuluma ngawo. So you gotta make sure. Are you a celebrity? Are you a celebrity or what? To even the celebrity banendlela asebeyikhanselishile ukuthi bephile ngayo because they know ukuthi bona bangama celebrate obvious. When are you a celebrate now to think nje ukuthi you have to impress people, or are you a brand ambassador that you have to make sure ukuthi impilo yakho ibukeka kanjani kobani? Are you a brand ambassador as well? What's cooking? Why would you think ukuthi abantu bakhuluma ngawe, you have to please them, you have to take ama decisions that will be a wow for them? Why? We are busy, bruh. We are very very busy. We can think about you masiqeda ukubona kuphelele lapho futhi, yabo. Kodwa wena you will always go with you wherever you go. So if you take wrong decisions, khuleka, abantu bazohamba, wena uzosala nawe. And masosale nawe, you are going to judge yourself harshly. Yes, you are going to judge yourself harshly to the point ukuthi you will call yourself a fool, and you learn it a hard way ukuthi I don't have to listen to people. Kungcono ukuthi uziblame wena ukuthi ngila ngikhona nje imina. You have no one to blame. But when it's about people, uzofika ukhalela ukuthi bakubhedisile kuma decisions, uphinde ukhalela ukuthi ugaxele futhi, crying twice. Oh no,